If you want to free up some space on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on iPhone storage. Now at the top of the screen, you will be able to check what type of data is consuming the most storage. Now to free up space, just scroll down, and first of all, you will find the section of recommendations. Now in the recommendations section, your iPhone will give you some recommendations to free up some storage space or to optimize the storage usage. Now for an example, it might give you the recommendation to store all the photos and videos from your iPhone to your iCloud, and it will use a smaller size version of the photos and videos on your iPhone to free up some storage. Now to use the recommendations, just tap on Enable and your iPhone will automatically enable the recommendation which it has given. And after that, you might get the recommendation to offload an unused app. Now if you tap on Enable, it will automatically offload the app which you are not using. Now after you have done with the recommendations, then scroll down and in the apps section you will be able to select an app to delete the data within the app. Now for an example, I will select the Messages app. Now if I tap on Messages, now under the Document section you will find the section of the photos or the videos which you have shared in the Messages app. You can tap on the Photos section and you will be able to delete the photos which you have shared in the Messages app. And by doing that, you will free up some storage. Now, since I have not shared any data using the Messages app, there is no section for photos or videos or any other document. But if you have the section of photos or videos, just open the section of the photos or the videos and delete the photos or videos from the Messages app to free up some storage. After you do that, then just go back, and also from here you will be able to offload an app which you are not using. For an example, I will select this app. Now, as you can see, you have the option of offload. Now, if you tap on offload and if you select offload app, you will offload the app from your iPhone. Now, what this basically will do, that it will delete the app from your iPhone to free up some storage, but it will save the data of the app in your iPhone. And if you want to use the app again, you can go to the home screen and open the app library. And from here, you can search the name of the app which you have offloaded. Now just tap on it. And after you do that, your iPhone will download the app on your iPhone. But if you want to free up more storage, you can delete the app from your iPhone. Now if you select delete, you will completely delete the app from your iPhone and it will also delete the data of the app from your storage. Just like that. Now finally, just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. In the Photos app, just go to the Collection section, then tap on Utilities. Now from here, just tap on Duplicates, and if you have duplicated photos on your iPhone, you will find them in this folder. Just tap on Merge, then select Merge Copies, and by doing that, you will merge the duplicated photos on your iPhone. And this is how you can free up some space on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.